Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? What's Holness coming in the building? Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there? We done it?
Brand new banger.
Yeah, but before we get right tonight, as usual, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really help out your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps. So we're gonna react to some videos right now, alright?
Support more man, look, you see it? We go up on the toll. Yeah. I mean, the checkpoint, they are toll up there, so. We check your temperature and all them thing there. Yeah. Place car, cut everybody off your walk. Right now, we got mall. That's the thing there.
See the traffic? You said the traffic or if you are continuing. Look on the traffic. Watch it. I think I pour ambulance. I reach here before the ambulance through my drive and shortcut way. Yeah? But the beach view for almost 45 minutes can't move and I decide to say, yeah, I can't take this no more. And drive through one scheme. Yo, this thing now gonna work. I'm not telling a lie. I go back home. Sorry, I'm gonna call in, make them know say, yo, we can't make it out of this traffic here. Honestly. Traffic up the road, and that continues straight, go all the way up a Bridgeview the last time I left, which about 45 minutes ago. So chances are it may reach upon Portmore is the road right now and go straight up to Nagozed. You see the traffic? What am I going to checkpoints? All these people are essential workers. I guess them underestimate how much essential workers live in Portmore. I guess them underestimate that. Because look at this.
It's crazy. So much people are essential workers. You never know say so much doctor and nurse there at Jamaica. And pharmacists.
In all honesty, I'd love to know where you guys are going and why is there so much traffic. Why not go?
Look where I go on, just as the government call today. As the government call lockdown the supermarket full, the place ram, can't get food, can't get parking space. AJ Spanish down the ram, people out that door, car load. Yeah, because of the local thing when they say nobody can come out of the lockdown of the country, of St. Catherine. Look how the wholesale full. Look how the people they pull up. Country, St. Catherine on tomorrow, say, hey, people them stack up this wholesale. Look at the crowd at the hours of the night. Look at the crowd.
I want to view this traffic. On the vehicle way up there, so. And this shit is so fucking real. I swear to God. Wow.
Finally, I reach up somewhere, I tell you.
Alright, peeps. So after yesterday, Holness made the announcement pretty much that St. Catherine going to be locked down and everybody going back and forth and in and out and y'all know the whole story. He made this tweet. We do not want to make decisions about who lives or who dies, who gets a bed or who does not, who gets a ventilator or who does not. But if our citizens do not act responsibly in the face of COVID-19, aka what I call the big C, this is the burden they would place upon the government. Now, my reaction to all of this, you see, all of this will go on, you know, so you're not gonna prevent it. If the man them and the woman them, they just listen. The Jamaican people, if they just listen from day one and take the thing serious and act responsibly. And because of this now and all the madness on the road, the whole country I got locked down. And when this happen now, it can put more strain on the country. The economic, the infrastructure, the psychological weight, the emotional weight, the stress, the one bag of madness I got. And financially the countries cannot sustain Jamaica for a very long time because enough people are going to run in for free money. Now you ask yourself this question. When we lock down the place and nobody now work and no tax now pay and no nothing, and the little money we have in Jamaica pay out and give everybody in Jamaica, when it done, what are they to replace it? So that who really need the money and who lose them job and don't have a job can get the little money. When unruly Jamaican people now, the unruly one them who know themselves, do this. What do you think I got? I'm going to ask you a question again. What kind of future you want to set for the next generation? As mothers, as aunts, and as adults. Think about it. Anyway, talk to me down in the comment section. Let me know how you feel. Yeah? And just go and journey with the boy. Shoot!
Releasing dopamine.